Item TX16S MK3 MAX radio controller. Brand name, RadioMaster. Model number, TX16S MK3 MAX. For vehicle type, airplanes. Four-wheel drive attributes, assemblage. Color, black, red, blue, gold. Voltage range, 6.6 to 8.4 volts DC. Working current, 1.10 amp at max RF output power. Radio firmware, EdgeTX, require 3.0.0 or higher. Built-in RF module, ExpressLRS 2x LR1121. Frequency, ISM 2.4 GHz and sub-G 900 MHz. Number of channels, up to 16 channels. Gimbal, AG02 CNC Hall sensor gimbals. Micro SD card slot, yes, card not included. Internal storage, integrated 512 megabytes of onboard flash memory. Display, 5-inch IPS touchscreen, 800 by 480 resolution. Battery, two 3.7-volt 18650 lithium-ion cells. 21700 Li 5000 mAh battery. 2S 7.4-volt 6200 mAh LiPo, batteries not included. Upgrade method, USB/EdgeTX companion PC software. Module bay, JR compatible module bay for additional modules. Dimensions, 200.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.